Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel पप्पू करियर गाइड, कंप्लीट गाइड फॉर ऑल योर करियर नीड। तो फ्रेंड आज की वीडियो हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं हम लोग फ्रेंड जो मैंने 21 दिसंबर को मैंने वीडियो अपलोड करा था उससे सारे के सारे कमेंट्स को मैं रिप्लाई करने वाला हूँ। और फ्रेंड एक वीडियो बनाया था वो मैंने बनाया था अभी ठीक 7 घंटे पहले मैंने वीडियो बनाया था, इसमें भी डिस्कस करूँगा। और तो फ्रेंड वीडियो को इन तक जरूर देखना। तो सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो। चलिए फ्रेंड यहाँ पर पहले बात कर लेते हैं सबसे पहले कमेंट का। तो फ्रेंड यहाँ पर देखेंगे तो डज कॉग्निजन पे इन ट्रेनिंग पीरियड, इफ येस देन हाउ मच। येस, दे विल प्रोवाइड यू अ मनी विद अ फुल सैलरी लाइक 26 और 26 to 27 के पर मंथ। ओके, दे विल प्रोवाइड एज अ फुल टाइम एम्प्लॉयमेंट। ओके ब्रो, इन TCS पेंडिंग डिस्कशन राउंड कन्फर्म द ऑफर लेटर। येस, I interviewed for PAT role but got engineer trainee survey mail. What should we do? Nothing to do because it totally depends on the Cognizant business demand and business requirement. Okay. After HR on how much day it will take to give result, maximum 1 to 2 weeks. Within a week you will be getting a result. If you're not getting a result, then wait for some more days because they will provide you a survey link for the engineer trainee role. So moving to the next question. I have got a meeting link for selection but I am not being late in the meeting. Just try to mail them, they will reschedule. Bro, is this mail appeared for Gen-Z pet role after the completion of HR round? Yes. Bro, if you speak, yes, I will definitely try to speak in English also. Okay. Will they reject in pre-joining interview? No, you will not going to be rejected because if you are weak in the particular like in .NET or Java or Python, whatever they are giving you, don't worry, they will train for the same. Okay. If you are not able to give you an if you are not able to give the particular answer, then no need to worry, they will provide you a random courses, or you can say random stream in which you have to going to be trained for this 3 to 6 months. Okay, so no need to worry. I again received meeting URL from Cognizant. This is the second time I got this mail. Just join this mail and just join this link and just tell them, sir, I already attended this, so should I attend this again, or what is this all about? They will be reply you. Okay. I received survey mail from Gen-Z HR team that we provide opportunity for engineer trainee but given a TR round for program analyst training on 9th December and HR round not happened. I filled survey mail. Will they call for HR round? No, there will be no HR round. They will be direct providing you a offer letter. My Infosys interview complete today and at the time of interview told me that someone will get back to you. What does it mean? It means you are selected. High chance for getting selected. It's 10:50 already today. Also interview not started. Yes, just try to mail them. They will be rescheduled. So no need to worry. Hello guys. Today I received mail from Cognizant via Superset about result evaluation in process. I received mail twice about result evaluation because same evaluation mail I got on it today and the same. Yes, many got. Okay. What will they do for non-IT students? They will be providing you I think engineer trainee role. ये मेल जिसको आ रहा है, जिनका ऑफर लेटर मिल चुका है या जिनको HR राउंड हुआ है, ये उनको आ रहा है जिनको ऑफर लेटर, जिनका डेट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग ऑलरेडी सामने आ चुका है. ओके, दिस इज जस्ट अ मेल रिगार्डिंग योर प्री ट्रेनिंग इंटरव्यू मेल. ओके, नथिंग एल्स. Hi bro, just now I got a Cognizant survey mail and my TR is complete on 7th, but now no update about HR. Please let me know about this survey mail. If you got a survey mail, then no need to wait for the HR mail. Okay, because in survey mail, whenever you are filling your survey mail, they will be providing you a direct sys provide role or engineer trainee role. So there will be no HR on, but one thing keep in mind friend, they will call you and just ask you a 2 to 3 simple questions like are you able to join my company, are you able to work in shift, or what is the smart work and hard work. Just basic thing they will ask you. They will just check your English proficiency skills, nothing else. So no need to worry. If you are getting a survey mail, it's mean 110% you are going to be selected. So no need to worry. It is after joining, yes, or sometimes they will providing before the joining also. It is same for non-IT people. Yes, for same. फ्रेंड एक वीडियो बना जिसमें TFA से रिलेटेड क्वेरी सॉल्व हो जाए. प्लीज़ TFA मार्किंग स्ट्रीम बता दो फ्रेंड. अभी जो TFA का बता दूँ, अभी आप लोग को जो है फ्रेंड, अगर आप लोग को एडवांस ASC रोल के लिए जाते हो तो आपके पास जो है बेसिकली सब ओवरऑल में 60% चाहिए, इंडिविजुअल 60% चाहिए और 100% मॉड्यूल कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. अगर आप लोग ASC रोल जाते हो तो आपको दोनों मिला के 60% कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. इज दिस रिजेक्शन और नो? विच डेट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग पीपल गोट दिस मेल? 29 दिसंबर, और सम पीपल आर गेटिंग आफ्टर ऑल्सो, बिफोर ऑल्सो. सर एसिमुलेशन टेस्ट फिर क्यों हो रहा है जब ज्वाइनिंग के बाद इंटरव्यू ही लेना है? तो ये डिपेंड करता है उनके प्रोसेस के ऊपर में. ठीक है ब्रो, माई HR डन ऑन December 11 स्टिल नॉट व्हेन विल आई गेट ऑफर लेटर? इफ आई स्टिल नॉट गोट ऑफर लेटर, जस्ट वेट फॉर सम मोर डेज. ओके, दे विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग अ सर्वे लिंक फॉर द सेम. ओके सर, मेरा इंटरव्यू 27 नवंबर को HR राउंड बट नो रिप्लाई. yes, there are lots of candidates are there who given HR round but still not got any update. Just wait for some more days. They are most probably they are giving you a direct survey mail. After filling the survey mail, you are direct receiving an offer. So there will be a no what you can say, sir मेरा interview HR round अच्छा, if you given your HR round ना, then then there will be very less chances that they will be giving you a pet role. I think they will be giving you engineer trainee role. HR done is still waiting, HR done is still nothing received, just wait, they will be और एसिमुलेशन टेस्ट का क्या होगा, का क्या देखो एसिमुलेशन टेस्ट एक आप लोग को बता दो फिर ये आपका स्ट्रीम जो आपका जब CSD प्रोग्राम चालू होगा फिर उसके कुछ दिन पहले बाद में आप लोग को मैं इसको लेकर अपडेट कर दूंगा. सो नो नीड टू वरी. KPIT सेकेंड राउंड का मेल कब तक आएगा बता दो प्लीज़. देखो KPIT का बता दूँ ये ज़्यादातर कभी तो ये 7 दिन में आउट कर देती है, अदरवाइज 2 महीने के बाद भी आपको जो फिर अपडेट नहीं देती है. तो अगर आप चाहते हो तो कंपनी को मेल कर सकते हो. ब्रो 20 आवर पीपल गेटिंग फिल आउट अपॉर्चुनिटी मेल टू गेट रोल, डज दिस मीन द रिजेक्शन फॉर पेटर रोल? Please keep one thing in mind, pat role and engineer trainee role both are same. In some cases they are different. Please don't focus on your role, just focus on your learning experience. Okay, मैं बताऊंगा आप लोगों को व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन पेट रोल एंड इंजीनियर ट्रेनी रोल. सो वेट फॉर मे लास्ट wait till the last. Okay, because there are lots of comments are there. Complete a BGV but not update, shipped a mail regarding onboarding in January 22. That still progress. Yes, just wait in January then. Okay, I have received my offer letter on 24th November but still not got any onboarding pass. When will I get? You will be getting on probably on January or February also. Okay, भाई पास आउट बैचेस को भी पूछेंगे क्या? पूछेंगे नहीं, बेसिकली दिस इज अ प्री ट्रेनिंग इंटरव्यू, सो नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. ओके, just wait for this mail. Okay, no need to worry, they will not reject you. Okay, 20-12 को HR हुआ था ऑन इन कैंपस ऑनलाइन. मैंने बता दिया किससे आया है ये मेल, जीना डॉक्टर जब ने आई. यस यस. इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू ज्वाइन दैट ऑन डेट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग गिवन बाय CTS कॉग्निजेंट कैन बी रिक्वेस्ट. यस, यू कैन ऑल्सो रिक्वेस्ट फॉर द रिशेड्यूलिंग. ओके, नो नीड टू वरी, दे विल रिशेड्यूल. ओके, आई थिंक आई डिस्कस ऑल दिस कमेंट्स ना. यस, so moving to the next video comments. Okay, I think this only 100 comments are there, I think so. Okay, yes. Sir, cognizant survey mail for engineer trainee role is mandatory to fill. Yes, you just fill. If you're not filling this form, then it's mean you are not interested in working in Capgemini, cognizant, whatever they are giving. Okay, patrol and judicial role have different application, or they consider same application for both role and they sending suitable role. Yes, just please keep one thing in mind, friend. Engineer trainee role and patrol both are same. Somehow in few cases they are different, but both are same. This is only a role name. Okay friend, in particular engineer trainee or pat role, there will be different streams are there na. So please don't focus on your role. Sir, I am getting engineer trainee role, I am getting a pat role. It's just your role name, it's not your stream name. Okay, please keep in mind there are lots of engineers are there, lots of candidates are there who are whose like designation name is. Okay, so this is just a name. Okay, please don't focus on your designation. Okay, this is designation, but there in designation there are variety of streams are there na. Okay, so please don't focus on that. Okay, what is the difference between engineer trainee and PET? I will soon discuss. Okay, wait. What is the difference between why Cognizant didn't send any mail or rejection mail after assessment? I haven't got any kind of mail till now. They are sending, but they are taking time because they are hiring in lots of candidates. Okay, that's why. Okay, Papu Avaro, how long we can hold TCS joining letter, because I also got Cognizant result evaluation process email. I want to join Cognizant. Should I wait for Cognizant or join TCS? I think they will take time. Okay, for Cognizant, in Cognizant they will take time. Other than please confirm by yourself, because both company are good at their point. After HR round, how much it will take? Sometime it will take 7 days, but sometime it will also take 1 month also. Whether you can make a video of pay slip of engineer training at Emphasis, I request you please keep in mind, friend, if you are going to the Emphasis, there are very less salary in Emphasis. Okay, there are not high salary. Okay, I think 3 LPA package are there, and if you are converting your like if you are converting it to per month, hardly you will getting a 22 to 23, or you can also say in less. Please explain this. I already discussed. Okay, I had my technical round on 70th. Yesterday I received survey mail. Am I selected or rejected? You are selected. Congratulations. Sir, my HR round on 27 November, but not result. Just wait for some more days. Okay. Sir, Capgemini का offer status अप्लाइड हुआ था उसके बारे में अगर कोई अपडेट हो तो अप्लाइड हो गया, ऑफर से अप्लाइड हो गया तो नो नीड टू वरी, दिस इज जस्ट अ बग विच इज फेसिंग बाय द जॉइंट सुपरसेट टीम, सो नो नीड टू वरी. Okay. Please make a video on Accenture technical round for CS and non-CS. Okay, sure. What about those who gave HR interview and they got survey mail? They are selected. Okay. I have completed my TR plus EMA round on 26 TCS. I did not rejected. If you are rejected, then also company will mail you. So no need to worry. Bro, complete my HR round. Still not. Just wait. Okay, because they are still hiring. I think lots of comments are there ना. मेरे को वीडियो रिजल्ट एवल्यूशन फिर सिलेक्ट रिजेक्ट हो, सिलेक्ट हो ठीक है. अगर एवल्यूशन का आया तो अभी वेट करो, 50% चांसेस है. ओके भाई टीचर स्टेटस ज्वाइनिंग शेड्यूल पर एक वीडियो बनाओ ना प्लीज़. आई थिंक आई ऑलरेडी मेड. ओके इन सुपरसेट रजिस्ट्रेशन आई डी सेम फॉर सुपरसेट आई डी, जस्ट चेक. आई थिंक इट मे बी सेम और इट मे बी समटाइम इट विल बी डिफरेंट. यू गो एंड चेक. आई डोंट रिमेंबर राइट नाउ. ओके 6 month I didn't get any survey mail but I got result evaluation. Then just wait, your result is still in process. Means support role. No, this is not a support role, bro. Please remove from your mind from this is not a support role. Okay, I got survey mail study. I did not got any call from HR. Just wait for 7 days. Okay, they will be calling you. Okay, I got survey mail when HR interview. They will soon conduct. Okay, within 7 days or 6 days. Okay. I fill this form and my HR telephonic complete on 3rd December. When I can expect offer letter? Anytime in this month or next month also. My date was on 20th. I didn't get any kind of survey mail till now. Just wait. Okay, they will be sending you onboarding mail also. Okay. Bro, मैंने गायत्री बी को डायरेक्ट मेल किया फिर रिगार्डिंग टीआर रिजल्ट को तो कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया. नहीं तो टेस्ट पर क्वेरी डाल दो. यस डाल दोगे माने तो. मैंने कैपजेमिनी का सब आप लोग कॉग्निजेंट पे कैपजेमिनी के कमेंट्स क्यों करते हैं. तो आई थिंक आप मैं दिखाता हूँ फिर लाइक आप लोग जो फिर मैं दोनों का दे दूंगा लिंक अपने वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन. आप लोग जो पढ़ लेना, आप लोग को समझ में आ जाएगा. बोथ आर सेम. ओके, नो नीड टू वरी फ्रेंड. दिस इज जस्ट अ डेजिग्नेशन नेम. ओके, प्रोग्रामर एनालिस्ट ट्रेनी और engineer trainee. Okay, let's suppose you are going in the engineer trainee role. Okay, and if your performance is not good, then they will be providing they will be giving you a like support role also. So please don't focus on engineer trainee role and programmer trainee role. This is just a designation name. In designation there are lots of streams are there: support role, testing role, manual testing, automation testing, Java, Python. There are lots of streams are there na. This is just a name: engineer trainee or programmer analyst trainee. There are few candidates are also there whose name is whose designation name is programmer analyst trainee and he is working in a support role. So this is just a designation name, not a working like not your professional name. Okay, so please keep this in your mind. I think I discussed all the comments and all the important things. Please friend watch video till the end. Please don't comment again and again the same question I already discussed in this video. आई थिंक आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा. फिर मिलते हैं जिसमें टिल देन जय हिंद. अगर आपको मेरा मेहनत अच्छा लगा प्लीज़ एक लाइक जरूर कर देना. तब तक के लिए गुड नाइट.